Hello students, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to draw one 2D sketch with geometric dimensional and constraints. Now if you see here, this sketch have the 80 mm length and the 60 mm height, 10 plus 40 plus 10. Now this distance is 10 mm and this fillet is of 10 mm radius. Now that means this line distance is 20 mm and here is also fillet of 10 mm. And there is a one square 20 by 20 inside this, and if you see here, this whole diagram is the symmetry. Now let's start. Now here create document. So I will say sketch 1, say create it. It will open the graphical user interface of the open Onshape software. So create sketch here, select the sketch plane. I will say front plane, make view normal to sketch plane. Now here first I will draw the construction line so that it will be easy for us to give the dimensions. This is branch will be deleted. Now this is line, so convert into construction line. Press escape button. Again line. So we are going to draw this H shape object. So okay, so we will trim it. So this is not required. This is also not required. Now give the dimensions. So this distance is 40 mm. Then the distance is 10 mm. Now this distance is 10 mm. This distance is 40 mm. Now this distance is 20 mm. Now if you see here, now there is a fillet at this. There is radius is 10. So I will apply for fillet from this to this. There is a fillet or radius 10. Okay, 10 is there already. Here also we have to apply the fillet of radius 10. Okay, enter. Now you can see here some black lines are visible and some blue. So black lines is nothing but over constraint. So I will say the show constraints. So I want that it should not be removed, so I will delete some constraint. It should be, so this is perpendicular, so that means, so tangent is not required, this is not required. Okay, again I will remove this point. So this constraint is done. I will remove this point, I will remove this point, and I will give the dimension to this edge. Okay, that is 10 mm, that is 10 mm, you can see. And this distance can make it 40. Okay, now this diagram is completed. Now let's make mirror. Select the mirror command, select the mirror line. Now select the entities you have to be mirrored. So select these entities. Suppose by mistake you selected the half entities. Okay, like this. Which entity is remaining? Click on it. It will be get mirror. Now next task is to draw the rectangle. So I will select the rectangle. I will draw the rectangle. So here we have to give the dimension to that rectangle. So this is the 20 mm. and this distance is also 20 mm. You can see from the sketch, you can see this is the sketch is there already. We have draw everything. So this is 20 by 20 rectangle was remaining. Now I I what I will do, I will do the symmetric. So this both edges are symmetric about this, and this and this, these are symmetric about this. Okay, so constraints. So you can see we don't trade some constraints, so we will delete some of the constraints. So now this is the your diagram is completed. Thank you.